If you're experiencing connection issues with your Kodak Pixpro FZ55 camera, such as the camera not being recognized by a computer or failing to transfer photos, the problem is usually related to cables, settings, or power supply. Compact cameras rely on a stable USB connection and proper device recognition to communicate with other devices. When a cable is loose, the battery is low, or the connection mode is incorrect, the camera may fail to link properly. Fortunately, most connection problems can be resolved quickly with a few simple checks. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the camera battery is fully charged and the camera is powered on. Step 2. Connect the camera to your computer using the original USB cable or a compatible data cable. Step 3. Check the camera's USB or connection settings in the menu and select the correct transfer mode if available. Step 4. Try a different USB port or cable to rule out connection hardware issues. Step 5. Restart both the camera and the computer, then reconnect the device to confirm the connection works properly.